Video number 11. Highly effective video marketing tricks. Add a call to action overlay. Overlay is a banner advertisement which appears at the start of a video. You have to install it if you're using YouTube. You have complete control over your copy, the thumbnail image, and the landing page where you want to send the traffic. If you forget to do this, you'll surely lose valuable traffic. Ask viewers to act. When you create a video, you have to guide your customer. Tell them what the next thing is they have to do. If you don't invite them to do something, that's exactly what they'll do. Nothing. If you want them to click, tell them. If you want them to buy, tell them. You have to invite them to act. Add the description of your video. This is very important, and a lot of people don't do it. Every time you upload a video, you have to take advantage of the opportunity to describe the video content. With this, you have the chance to add more calls to action. This is another key area for ranking your video in the top of the search engines. Add the URL in the description box. I know this is kind of obvious, but I have to remind you to do this. Every time you upload a video, don't miss the chance to insert your website address or any URL you want. Take advantage of the high converting power of video. You can invite people to visit your website from the video itself, but a lot of people, including me, are too lazy to type a URL, so we decide to go to the description box and click on the URL. Include a real person. Including a real person in your video increases audience trust in your brand. It will put a face to your brand. You can show them how passionate you are about your product. You can take a look at how other important internet marketers show their faces to everyone. This builds a brand amazingly because next time they see your name, they will know who you are. Post videos regularly. People have to see you are alive. After some time, people will start wondering why you don't post new videos. It implies you don't care about them. Post videos on a regular basis. The cool thing about videos is that people will watch them. It is way different than reading a post. Address a trendy topic. Of course, you can't just post boring information. You must provide quality every single time you post a new video. If you don't know what to post, just research about the latest information on your niche and talk some useful stuff about it. You can even ask them, email them asking what topics they would like to learn about the most. You can even take a look at the emails they send you and record a video answering all of their inquiries. This will make them very happy. Video apologies. Video apologies work awesome. If there is something people are having a hard time with regarding your product or service on a normal basis, use a video to apologize for that. If for some reason there was a mistake related to anything in your business, just take the time to say sorry. When business owners do that, it will increase the customer's trust in them incredibly well, because it means you care for them. Interactive videos are what people want. Please do not just talk. Try to make the video attractive, funny, and easy to understand. People love to see live examples of something. Show them live how to use your product. Show them live how to resolve an issue. Show them live what people are saying about your product or services as well, how they're using your product or services to get the most out of it. Enjoy what you do. Be enthusiastic, be funny, be their friend. Feel happy recording a new video. They will feel the same way.